Alright, turn it over.
Pino and melon.
Nah.
Oh. Damn it.
Wait, okay. And then I'm thinking, I just remember from Sounds of the Land.
Alright, so you guys are... I'm pretty sure.
We're together.
Sculpting.
I don't think this is
No, you know you.
It's a thing.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
You're scared now?
What is that?
No, make it smoother. Take your time.
Go better.
Yeah. Slower.
Curry.
Oh, God. Excuse me, one day. Sorry.
Is it a bread?
Thing.
I know. Oh, wait.
It's
It's
a
a thing.
thing.
I'm guessing.
Is it a book? The book?
No.
The notebook?
Bible.
Stay there.
Dictionary.
I'm not sure, or we will eliminate you and you have to again.
We're just sculpting.
That's right. That's right. I don't know what that is. I think you should just start again.
The book?
No.
The notebook? What is that?
Exactly, what is that? That is what everyone. What is that?
Reader. Starbucks?
Oh, God.
You didn't even see what it was.
I think you know.
Worm.
Oh, yeah.
Atlas.
Oh, yeah, getting closer.
Three book?
No.
Book three?
It could be.
No.
Library.
Oh, yeah.
Baby book?
Yeah.
Is it baby book?
Think bigger.
It's a thing.
Think outside. Think outside.
Baby book. Is it baby book?
Wow. It's got baby in her head. That's all it is. It's got baby in her head. Yeah.
I'm doing the action already.
Is it changing diapers?
Let's explore that.
The answer. Oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry.
No!
Oh my God! And they were just mean. What, two more cards?
Puppet.
He's gonna be the puppet.
Oh.
Nah, that's too easy.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, it's too easy.
That's fine. Come on.
Puppet.
No,
I'm not.
I'll puppet. I'll control her.
Okay.
You're controller.
Card. What is the hint?
It's a thing.
It's a thing, yes.
How is that a thing?
I know.
Oh, gosh. They're asking how is that a thing?
Alright, and go!
Oh, God.
Fanning.
Like
It's a thing. It's a thing.
That's not a thing.
Mental disorder.
Capitation.
Falling, fainting.
What's she doing? Sweating. Exhaustion.
Anything.
Sweat.
Can.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, you can do. Treat it like charades.
Charade her.
Charades, but with her, not you.
Oh, wait.
It's winning, alright?
Swimming. Wave.
Wave?
Wave. Wave.
Wait.
Ocean.
Oh my God! Wow! Good job!
Oh, God.
Finding the circle.
Area in the circle.
Finding the circle.
I'm sorry for
There's a lot of pity here, okay, guys?
Factoid.